Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 270 Vantage from Boston Whaler. Starting with the profile, this boat has the glacier green hull color, chrome graphics, and the silver model designator, which looks really nice with the optional stainless steel rub rail insert. As you come around the aft end, we have this boat powered by twin 250 V8 Verados from Mercury. This is a joystick boat. You've got two swim platforms angled outward away from the motors with a telescoping ladder, or fold-up ladder rather, that stows into the starboard side platform. And as we board the boat, you'll notice that we have a synthetic teak flooring throughout the entire boat. Really dresses it up nicely, but it's also very rugged and very comfortable as well. Very easy to keep clean and maintain. Full walk across along the transom. As you enter the cockpit, we do have a cockpit door that's lockable. Keep small kids or dogs safely inside, and one of 4 freshwater sprayers on the boat. Battery switches are here. We have tow rails on both sides as part of Whaler's fishing package. Really robust stern seat, high backrest, really robust upholstery. Can easily seat 2, maybe 3 adults comfortably. And when you're fishing with this stowed up, you've got a nice bolster on the back end. This bilge access is very large, very easy to get to everything. Batteries, pumps, strainers, anything you could need to service. It's all finished out, very easy to keep clean. Here on the starboard side, we have a prep area with a Korean countertop, freshwater sink, 2 cup holders, and storage that's drained. Stainless steel grab rail just above a slide-out cooler. Over here to the port side, we have a lounger with a picnic table mount. Live well beneath here, and I can drop down this backrest to give a forward-facing lounger. Bring this backrest up that has multiple locking positions. So now I have an aft-facing lounger, or I can bring this all the way down and have a large sunbed. So this backrest is in the neutral position. I've got really easy access to a large storage area here as well. You've got JL audio speakers and cup holders, large head area, self-contained porcelain head with an overboard discharge, freshwater sink to the left with hot and cold water, overhead light, a couple of hanging clips for change of clothes or a towel. Here at the helm, we have a large touchscreen from Raymarine, Mercury Vessel View, Raymarine VHF, Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit, trim tabs with indicators, really well-appointed helm area with a wrapped steering wheel on an adjustable tilt. And again, this is a joystick boat, which also includes Mercury's skyhook and autopilot features. As we work towards the bow, we can block off the cockpit with this door and the windshield. And we've also got storage in the starboard side console that you can access from 2 different areas. So it carries forward through the bow to the starboard side. That's where we have some batteries and a bucket and a picnic table also stowed. But this is a really good space for larger items like beach bags and things of that nature. Before we leave the cockpit, you can see beneath the hardtop, we do have the glacier green color here as well to match the hull. Helps dress up the interior of the boat a little bit. So making our way towards the bow seating, we have another storage locker beneath the port side seat, all finished out, easy to clean, no rough edges. You can see the cup holders are drained, stainless steel recessed grab rails, JL audio speakers, plenty of lounge space for people over 6 feet tall. Another area to mount a picnic table, 2 cup holders, recessed area for phones, sunscreen bottles. We have a 4th freshwater sprayer on the boat. We have rod holders for a sunshade kit, which is included. That's a look at our Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.